Cooking is an art that demands precision, creativity, and the right tools. From stirring and flipping to slicing and dicing, the efficiency and ease of cooking largely depend on the quality of utensils at hand. In the culinary world, there are essential tools that stand out for their versatility, durability, and ability to elevate the cooking experience. Here, we delve into the realm of culinary essentials to explore 5 cooking utensils that are indispensable in any kitchen, each bringing its unique blend of functionality and finesse to the table. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, these utensils promise to enhance your culinary endeavors and transform every meal into a masterpiece. Let's embark on a journey to discover the best 5 cooking utensils that every kitchen should boast. Number 5. Silicone Cooking Utensils Set. 446 degrees Fahrenheit Heat Resistant Silicone Kitchen Utensils for Cooking. Kitchen Utensil Spatula Set. Wooden handles and holder, BPA-free gadgets for non-stick cookware. Khaki. About this item: heat resistant, and melting. Wooden handle. Silicone cooking utensils set are heat resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they won't melt or produce smoke even in high-temperature frying. The comfortable wooden handle prevents heat transfer, providing a safe cooking experience. This is the go-to basic cooking set for a new home or apartment. Please note that each wooden handle has a slightly different color and texture. Safe, BPA-free, food-grade silicone, odorless silicone kitchen utensil set is made of high-quality food-grade silicone that is BPA-free and odorless. These silicone utensils for cooking do not react with food or beverages even at high temperatures. For the initial use, we recommend soaking the utensil sets for half an hour and exposing them to air for about 3 hours to eliminate any initial smell. Fully meet your kitchen needs. No more waste of money. Silicone utensil set includes 9 cooking tools and 4 baking tools, and a large utensil holder. You will have all the essential cooking tools you need in your kitchen. Includes a deep soup ladle, solid serving spoon, slotted spoon, flexible spatula, round spatula, pasta server, slotted turner, and more. These silicone utensils protect non-stick pans from scratches, gaps. Easy to clean. A stainless steel is wrapped inside each silicone cooking cookware to maintain its shape and flexibility, ensuring no warping. The one-piece design eliminates any gaps where food can get trapped, making cleaning a breeze. Please note that due to the wooden handle, these silicone kitchen utensils set for non-stick pan are not suitable for dishwasher cleaning. Number 4. Riveira Bamboo Wooden Spoons for Cooking. 6-piece, apartment essentials wood spatula spoon non-stick kitchen utensil set. Premium quality housewarming gifts for everyday use. About this item: complete cooking serving utility from cooking to serving. Experience the complete functionality of these premium wooden spoons for cooking. Practical, reliable bamboo utensil set provides helpful implements for every task, whether you're flipping ingredients, tasting sauces, or serving a finished meal, so you'll always have the right tool while you're working in the kitchen, no matter what you're making. Premium organic material. Unlike the cheap wooden spoons found on the market today, this deluxe assortment of wooden utensils set is crafted from 100% organic nonstick bamboo, which means they won't scratch pots or pans. Food debris is super easy to rub off, and its odor and stain-free properties ensure they won't retain funky smells or blemishes from cooking certain meals, so you can always prep, cook, and serve fresh using our wood spoons for cooking. Practical design and functionality designed to perform an array of kitchen tasks. This wooden kitchen utensil set features contoured heads so you can perform precise functions. Smooth, comfortable handles make using them easy. included slotted, solid, and turner wooden spatula makes flipping omelets and mixing ingredients easy, while a solid and slotted wooden spoon make preparing sauces and tasting soups simple. Spoon fork provides versatility for sipping, eating, or serving, easy care convenience thanks to the special bamboo construction. This superior wooden kitchen utensil set can be simply washed with warm soap and water and wiped clean. Non-stick, durable bamboo resists moisture, so you'll never have to worry about mold accumulating on your tools, and you can enjoy years of long-lasting use, which makes our wooden cooking utensils set a great gift for mom, dad, or any cook. Number 3. Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. 446 degrees Fahrenheit heat-resistant kitchen utensils, turner, tongs, spatula, spoon, brush, whisk, kitchen utensil gadgets tools set for non-stick cookware, dishwasher safe, BPA-free. About this item: food-grade safe silicone. Heat-resistant, and melting, odorless, made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, very safe to use in any type of food. The silicone cooking utensils can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, even if they are used in the high-temperature environment of frying. You don't have to worry that it will melt. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages, will not retain odors or colors when you use it for stirring-based food products. The silicone handle is anti-scalding. Non-stick cookware friendly. Dishwasher safe. The cooking utensils 1-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. Silicone head protect your pans, keep the cookware surface not scratched or dented. Extend the life of all your kitchen pans, they are scratch resistant. These 15 sets of kitchen utensils are very easy to clean. You don't have to worry about the dishwasher doing harm to them. No gaps, no food is captured. Easy to clean. Add stainless steel to each kitchenware to maintain an initial optimal memory state. Never warp. And full of flexibility. One-piece molding without any gaps to capture food. This is different from many kitchenware products. Make cleaning very easy. You completely leave the cleaning job to the dishwasher. Easily release our hands. The 15 pieces of kitchen utensils almost cover the needs of your kitchen. We have carefully considered most of the scenes needed for kitchen use. Carefully selected, such as deep soup serving spoon, slotted turner, pasta server, flexible basting brush, whisk, tongs, turner, skimmer, silicone spatula. We pay great attention to quality and safety. Number 2. Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. Umite Chef Kitchen Utensils 15 pieces set. Non-stick heat-resistant BPA-free stainless steel handle tools. Whisk gray. About this item: 15 premium kitchen utensils set. 15 professional silicone kitchen utensils set includes slotted turner, solid turner, deep soup ladle, pasta server, flexible spatula, spoon spatula, spreader spatula, slotted spatula, baiting brush, jig whisk, slotted spoon, solid spoon, kitchen tongs, and holder. Meet your all kinds of kitchen needs. Stainless steel high-quality silicone. Silicone head combined with high-quality 18/8 stainless steel handle ensures daily use without broken. Designed not to bend, break, or rust. Anti-scalding silicone handle sleeve. Food-grade kitchen utensil set. Our silicone utensils is made of all and best quality materials. You can also use all the appliances with confidence. We promise that our kitchen tools are 100% healthy for you and your family's health. Durable high-temperature stand, all-around silicone added to the softness. One-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. Both the handle and silicone tops can withstand high temperature to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, effortlessly cook the foods you want. No longer worry food will stick. Your cookware steel material durable than wooden or bamboo, which prevent from chipping, warping, or any other damages. Number 1. Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set, 33 pieces non-stick silicone cooking kitchen utensil spatula set with holder, wooden handles silicone kitchen gadgets utensil set, khaki. About this item, food-grade silicone made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can use in any type of food. And it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families. Will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. No bend, no break. Healthy for cookware. Our kitchen utensils are more sturdy than other usual wooden kitchen utensils. Ensures daily use for a long time without being worn down. Designed not to bend, break, or rust. We are committed to providing each customer with the highest standard of customer service. If you have any problem about the utensil set, please feel free to contact our customer service. We're always here for you. High temperature withstand. The silicone cooking utensils can withstand high temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit per 230 degrees Celsius. All-around silicone added to the softness. No longer worry food will stick your cookware. Silicone head protect your pans. Keep the cookware surface not scratched or dented. Extend the life of all your kitchen pans. They are scratch resistant, unlike plastic and rubber utensils that will easily melt, or metal kitchen utensils harm your non-stick pots. 33 durable wooden handle kitchen utensils set anti-scalding, protect your hand from burning. 33 professional silicone kitchen utensils set includes flexible spatula, soup ladle, serving spoons, pasta server, spatula turner, tongs, measuring cup and spoons, 10 hooks, silicone mat, and so on. Meet your all kinds of kitchen needs. Because of the wooden handle, we don't recommend soaking in water for a long time or dishwasher cleaning. Best kitchen tools: 1-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper. A small holes on the handles for easy storage. Extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provide you more convenience. A great gift for anyone who loves to cook, also a good gift set for your friend family.